Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, popular and unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on attendance system using machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on attendance system such as attendance system using Streamlit. We have gone 2 to 3 videos on attendance system using Streamlit. Very popular videos. We have also seen attendance system using Python, 1 or 2 videos, and many more videos on attendance system. Today we are going to see attendance system in very different style. So let us go through the program code first. Main.py. This is all about the program code, menu driven program. We are going to see attendance system using menu driven program. First of all, we'll execute the program now. Yes, menu driven. Check the camera. Yes, fine. Now again go to main menu. Face capture. Yes, ID will be 11. Fine. And name obviously Sanjay. Yes, it is detecting. Fine. Now I will again go to main menu, then 3. Yes, now go to main menu and then 4. Yes, 11 Sanjay, it is definitely coming. So I successfully done with attendance system using Streamlit. So attendance system using machine learning Python in very different style. I hope you like this video. First of all, I will show the training images and the attendance in Excel file. We have also seen the attendance at the front end. Now we are going to see attendance system in back end. Now we will see Sachin smart attendance. These are the images which are captured right now, and this is, yes, we can see here. Yes, we can see her ID 11 and name Sanjay. Fine. So I successfully done with attendance system with front end also and back end also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more creative videos on attendance system using Streamlit, using Python, then face recognition, face and gender classification, image classification, Terras, TensorFlow, CNN, Streamlit. So keep watching my videos on machine learning on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.